In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subtasks in Asana. Whether you're organizing a complex project or keeping track of a simple to-do list, knowing how to effectively use subtasks can make a world of difference. Let's dive in to streamline your task management process and boost productivity. First, start by opening Asana and navigating to your project dashboard. This is where all your project magic begins. Once you're there, identify the main task for which you'd like to add a subtask. It's important to remember that subtasks are best used for breaking down large tasks into smaller, more digestible pieces. This makes it easier not only to manage the workload, but also to delegate different parts of a project if needed. Click on the task title to open the task details pane. You'll notice a range of options here. This is your command center for that particular task. Look for the subtask icon. Keep in mind that it may appear as a plus sign, a tiny checkbox, or simply labeled as subtask, depending on your version of Asana. Now, click on this icon, and a new subtask line will appear under your main task. You're now ready to start defining what this subtask needs to be. Clearly label your subtask by giving it a descriptive name. A clear, specific name will not only help you, but also anyone else involved in the project understand what needs to be done. Avoid generic titles like update or fix without any context, as these can lead to confusion later on. After naming your subtask, add additional details if necessary. This might include assigning the subtask to a team member, setting a due date, or adding any relevant files or links that can provide more context. Asana allows you to use rich text details, such as bold or italic text and bulleted lists, which can be helpful to emphasize critical points or outline steps. Remember to link your subtask to a milestone if it serves as a stepping stone to another task. This way, your team can better track the completion of complex sequences. You can keep adding more subtasks following the same steps, enabling you to outline detailed steps for a given task. And there you have it. You've now created a structured subtask in Asana, ensuring every detail is accounted for and nothing slips through the cracks. This method of task organization helps enhance clarity, reduces stress, and increases efficiency among team members. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Stay organized, and see you in the next video.